Is it that time? Management review time. Are you ready? Or do you kind of look like this? And your management review kind of looks like that. Well, it's time to start looking up. Here are 5 steps to ace your next ISO management review. Step 1. Establish the logistics just like you would for a board meeting. Step 2. Leadership involvement. Successful involvement demonstrates the leadership's commitment and customer focus. Step 3. ISO expertise. As the lead facilitator, demonstrate your knowledge of what the applicable standards intent is. Step 4. Data collection. Start early and pinpoint where data is for the data and trends that are required to be presented. Step 5. Communicate. Identify key slides that would be extracted to be posted to convey how the company is performing to management systems expectations. Now it's your turn. Download your free 5 steps to ace your next ISO management review here.